Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome to episode 2 of the moving series. For today's video, we are going to be doing an empty house tour, but it's semi-empty because we've been moving things from the old house to here. It's a little messy, there's things in each room, but I'm just gonna show you guys what the house looks like and what all the rooms look like. Christian is behind the camera. Okay, but before we start, I want to thank Casetify for sponsoring this video. I've worked with Casetify so many times on my channel, so you guys know that I love their cases so much. Casetify gives you the best of both worlds. Protection with personality. On their website, you can find tons of different designs, and there are even some that you can customize. I have 4 cases to show you guys right now. This first one currently on my phone is this teal, oh that's not teal, is this green colored one, and it has a bunch of planets on it, also the sun. I think it's so cute and very colorful, which I love. This next one is one of their neon sand cases. This was one of my first Casetify cases that I ever got, and I just think it's so cool. Look. Do you see that? That is so sick. And then also I customized it to say Nicole. This next one is called the PhotoGrid phone case, and this is so cool because you can actually import your own photos and then put it as a grid. So mine looks like this. I have a picture of a sunset, pictures of my family, my friends, and then also my dog. And then this last one that I'm going to show you guys is this one. It's clear with a bunch of butterflies. Again, super colorful and cute. And then also, if you guys can see on the sides, there's bumpers to provide even more protection. If you guys have seen any other videos that I worked with Casetify, you guys know that I do the drop test. Basically, Casetify has tested their phone cases in drops over 6.6 feet, and the phones have always survived. So in my new house, you guys are gonna see later in this video the staircase, but we're gonna drop my phone down the staircase. Here's my phone before, there's no cracks. Here's the front. Let's go drop this baby. 1, 2, 3. So now that you guys have seen that Casetify cases are not only cute but also protective, you guys can go to casetify.com/Nicole Laeno for 20% off your new favorite phone case. Now let's get back into the empty house tour. Mom, say hi. Over here we have the garage. This is the outside of the house, but here's the garage so far. There's nothing too special. We're just putting different things, but I think we're gonna redo the garage. My dad and brother are gonna make a man cave or whatever. Anyways, let's go inside. Come on, follow me. Here's the front door. Okay, so Sadie, come in. Welcome to the new house. When you first walk in, we have the living room. There's mom. Oh my god, guys. So I'll kind of show you guys what our layout or what we want in the living room. So we have a love sack couch. Mom is currently laying down, taking a break. Grandpa, say hi.
Oh, hi.
We've been having some of our family members help us move, so my grandpa is here.
This is easy. I can build walls, but this is easy.
Okay. So yeah, we have that love sack couch. That's not how we're gonna Where's my husband? This isn't how we're gonna structure the couch. We're gonna make it like this. I don't know. You guys will see it. Oh, by the way, I don't plan on filming a full house tour until maybe a couple months because it's gonna take us a while to move everything in and finish everything. So I just wanted to film it when everything is done, just so you know. Okay, but like I was saying, this. What are you filming? Okay, like I was saying, this isn't gonna be how the couch looks. So yeah. You guys, we got love sack bean bags. I don't know if you guys remember, but a few vlogs ago, we were shopping for couches. And it's because we were moving in, so.
Here's the love shack.
Oh my god, look at that bean bag. This is so comfy. Also, Dad keeps calling it a love shack, but it's love sack. Wait, this is so comfortable. Yeah, we got this one, and then also one over here. But again, we don't know where we're gonna place them yet, so they're just sitting here. Okay, let's move on. Stop, don't look at my feet. Okay, where should we go next? The kitchen? Here is our kitchen. Like I said, we're moving things in, so there's a bunch of things here. But this is our kitchen. We're gonna slowly put things away. We got some Jack in the Box. Grandma, say hi. Hi. She's also helping with the couches. She's so cute.
There's other neighbor dogs, so she's talking to them.
from the kitchen. There's also this living room, and we plan on putting a couch, a TV, and then also the dining table.
Yeah,
Now let's go to the backyard. Welcome to the backyard. Sadie's currently barking at other dog. This is the backyard. Excuse me. Welcome to our backyard. We are going to be building a pool, which will take a few months. So like I said, I'm not going to do a finished house tour until everything is finished. But yeah, we plan on building a pool and a hot tub. And then we have this... Sadie, stop! And then we have this deck where we're going to put patio furniture and everything. Why are they barking so much? So now we pass through the kitchen, through the living room, and we go on this side. Let's walk down these 2 steps. Oh my god. And this is oh, that's a little close. And we have Christian's room. So, he just built his new bed. That's why there's a bunch of stuff. So this is his new bed. Oh, is that your
That's
nightstand?
my nightstand.
Okay. He's gonna put like a desk right there. Don't show the whole. Christian may have dented the wall.
I dented the wall. There was like wood on the wall and it was balanced and then it wasn't balanced and it dented the wall. First day we moved in.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that's his closet. We go over here, we have some closet space, more storage, you know, and we have the bathroom. This is the first bathroom. Isn't this so nice? I really like this one. It's a very nice countertop, and there we are. What is that noise? Then we have this room, and this is kind of our pool room slash like extra room, I guess. But basically, we're gonna put a sliding door here, so like knock down the wall, put a sliding door, and right over here, you can see Sadie. You can see Sadie going crazy. Like, so yeah. We're gonna build a sliding door that goes out to the backyard so that we can have access to the backyard from this room, if that makes sense. But we have this couch here that we might move like right here, right? I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna put a TV.
No, it'll be right there because the TVs go up right there.
Got it, okay. We're gonna put a TV right there. There's extra closet space. And honestly, we could use this room for anything. I might use this room for dance, or it's just like a hangout room with friends. Okay, and that's the finish downstairs. So really all downstairs we have the 2 living rooms, the kitchen, Christian's room, the pool room, and then the backyard. Now we go upstairs. We have this closet right here, and I am taking it over with my jackets.
Oh.
I already put them in because I didn't have enough space in my closet for my new room, so I used this closet. And then we go up more stairs. Okay. And then we have my room. Welcome. Come inside.
That's it.
Excuse me. So yeah, I haven't moved a lot of things in yet, like Christian's room, for example.
Yeah, where's your bed?
Okay, it's coming. Actually, the next episode should be like doing my whole new room over, so stay tuned for that. But this is going to be my closet. We're gonna install like the mirror doors. I think I wanna put my dresser here, TV, my bed over there, nightstand over here. And then, you guys, we might knock down this wall because there's a bathroom on the other side, which my parents use. So I might share the bathroom, if that makes sense. And then I'm probably just gonna put like wall decorations. And then lastly over here, we have my desk area and like my makeup drawers. I don't know, you guys will see that in the next episode. Then the hall that leads to my parents' room, we have some more closet space. And look what I put in here. Some pillows, yeah. But I still have to fill those up, so. Oh.
That's the heater.
That's the heater. And then we go into the master bedroom and hi grandma.
Hi,
Grandma on my mom's side and then my grandma on my dad's side is downstairs. But this is my parents' room. Yes, that's their closet. This is gonna be their bed like over here. Look at all dad's clothes. Those are all my dad's clothes. And then lastly, we have the bathroom. So this is the upstairs bathroom. And then we might knock this wall down so we can put a door here that leads to my room so that I can share, which is really cool because at the old house, I would literally use my parents' bathroom anyways, so like, I don't know, it's kind of like the same thing. And then we plan on putting another sink here. There's just a lot of things to be done. Might take a bit. That's the upstairs. Thank you, Christian, for filming. And thank you guys for watching. That is going to be the end of this video. We still have a bunch of things Anyways, we have a bunch of things to move in still, so that's what we're going to be doing for the next couple of days. Also, I'm filming this on Halloween. You guys are seeing this in like the middle of November, but happy Halloween. Make sure to like, go comment on my community tab, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye!